So here's the chair. We got ours in gray and white. It's pretty firm. It doesn't feel like it would be comfortable, but it's better than nothing. It is actually pretty comfortable. I would definitely not mind sitting in this all day. It was okay to put together. I've never put together a chair before, so that could just be me. And it came with the tools to put these bolts in. And then, let's see, underneath here, you have this, which I don't remember being mentioned in the ad, but you can loosen it or tighten it to lean back, but it doesn't really make a difference. It's still pretty upright when you loosen it. You can't really go too far back. And then, you know, this locks in and pops out. So other than that, it's a pretty good deal for the price.